Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you or to make the clear video about Logitech group video conference devices, where I'm going to show you this is the camera that will help you to capture the image and the movement into your room. This is the sound system, where it is control panel. It has the port that can connect other device, and it has the volume where you can control the volume or the sound. Okay, and it will help you to make the voice or it will help you to work as the output of the sound. And this is the cable that will help you to connect it to computer. Okay, you see, this is the power cable that will help you to supply the main device where all devices will be connected. Okay, this is the power cable. Okay, this is the main device where the sound system and the camera will be connected. Okay, this is the blue cable which will be connected to the similar port, where the blue cable will help you to connect to the camera port, where the camera will send the video to the central device or to the main device. You see, the camera is connected. You see, this is the remote controller that will help you to rotate the camera in order to detect the speaker or the presenter. You see, the camera is rotating by using remote. And then this cable has the red color, will be connected to the main device and sound system. This cable will be help us to connect central device or the main device to the sound system. This sound system has control panel where it will help you to control the sound or the volume. Okay, you see, it is asking us to connect a USB cable to laptop. This is a USB cable, you see, connected to the main device, then connected to your computer. This will help you to take the image or the presentation from your computer. Okay, you see, it is connected. That is the sound that tells you that is connected to computer. And this is camera to capture video or any motion into the room. And this is the sound system, where it will act as speaker. And then from here you can connect your projector into your computer. Connect the projector to computer that has a connected Logitech device. First of all, you have to connect a USB cable on your computer. Then your computer is already connected to video conference device. And then let us see how you can enable Logitech device into Google Meet. Google Meet. Suppose that you are going to meet with many people into room by using only one computer. It means there is no need to connect many people to Google Meet, where only one computer in a single room will be connected to video conference device or Logitech device, and then our camera connected to Logitech device will capture the whole rooms or the all members into room. You see, the camera is rotating to capture all the images into room. You see, suppose that those are the members into room, where you can rotate your camera to capture each one person or member into room. You see, this is a Google Meet. And then when you open Google Meet, you will see, instead of capturing video using your laptop, you will choose into setting, you will choose Logitech group or Logitech device. You see, this image is captured by Logitech camera, not laptop camera. You see, it is a room. Let me show you into setting. You see, this is a microphone. You have to choose Logitech. Then speaker, you have to choose Logitech. For audio, you see, this is a testing. Then for video option, this first one is audio option. We choose Logitech. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you are not yet, make subscription to this channel. Please click on subscribe to follow more videos from this channel. Thank you for watching.